The Acropolises occupied a significant position in the antique Greek city-states. These citadels were constructed in the center of the polis, at a location that could be easily defended. Apart from serving defense purposes, they were also religious centers. The citadel of Athens has a special place among the many Acropolises. It is not only its size and the quality of its design and construction that raise it above similar buildings of ancient Greece, but also its historical significance. Located on a limestone rock on the Attica Plateau, the Acropolis was built in the 5th century BC, during the peaceful age of Pericles. The main designer of the religious art here was Phidias, one of the most famous Hellenistic sculptors in this area. A complex monumental gateway, the propylaea, served as an entrance to the sacred area. The grand marble gate was designed by Nesicles. In the Roman era, a staircase was added to it, next to which stood one of the finest examples of Ionic architecture, the Temple of Athena Nike. Most of the buildings located on the rock promontory above the city were erected in honor of Athena, the goddess that protected the city named after her. The magnificent bronze statue of Athena stood in the central, open-air space of the Acropolis, safeguarding the city she favored above others. The Chalkotheke, or bronze store, was the site for collecting ritual presents dedicated to the goddess. Among the buildings of the Acropolis stands one of the largest, most famous, and most significant temples of the antique world, the Parthenon. Based on designs by Phidias, Iktinos and Callicrates led the construction of this work of art that blends a Doric architectural order with Ionic elements. The larger cella of the temple housed the handiwork of the most famous Hellenistic sculptor, the 12-meter-tall sculpture of Athena. Apart from the treasured daughter of Zeus, other gods also occupied a place on the Acropolis. The Erechtheion was also one of the religious temples of the Acropolis. It became famous for its caryatids, the maiden figures that served as supporting columns. Unfortunately, only the ruins have remained from the sanctuary of Artemis, the Brauroneon. The Acropolis of Athens, which attracts hundreds of thousands of tourists every year, received its well-deserved place on the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in 1987.